I'm a buff baby, but I dance like a man. She a nice lady and she shaking the yams. Spent the whole summer trapping.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sincerely.Cia. My real name is Tricia, and I know I haven't been making videos for a hot minute, but I'm back. You feel me? Anyways, so in today's video, we're going to be installing a 13x4 transparent lace wig from AliExpress. I'm not gonna tell y'all the vendor because they're not paying me for this. Anyways, let me show you guys the wig first of all. So this is the wig. I brushed it out. The length is a 24-inch. This is my first time installing this type of wig, so we'll see how it goes. It could be a fail, it could be a win. Let's hope for the best. So I already started off braiding my hair back, you know, my bow wow. So I have an old stocking cap is what I'm gonna use to put this on, like so. I don't know how to do the bald method. I'm not even gonna attempt that. Yeah, I'm just gonna put makeup on my freaking cap, to be honest. I need to slick back these tiny hairs that I have going on here. So I'm gonna just take some gel. I'm using Shine and Jam to just slip back these little hairs in the front. I've seen all the Instagram girlies and the YouTube girlies push their little caps back, so that's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation that I got from CVS, and I've seen them put makeup here because clearly the stocking cap is way too light for me. Okay, this is already becoming a fail. Hold on. This like this first, and then I'll fix it. And I know some of y'all don't like when I do these like wigs and stuff like that. Y'all want to see the natural, but y'all never comment what y'all want to see. So it's like, I'm not gonna be doing my natural hair. I feel like my natural hair is not at a good length right now for me to do really anything to it. And I don't wear it out that often because it's just a lot of work. I liked when I was bald. You can just run and go. That's it. And y'all know I can't see this camera, so I don't even know if this is. I'll be back, y'all. So this is the lovely wig. Hold on, let me push back this cap a little bit more and then bring this forward. Okay, so this is the wig that I got. If y'all want to know where I got this wig, just leave a comment down below and I'll let y'all know. But I'm not promoting no wig. Let's be real, y'all. Let's be real. They're not paying me. Anyway, so I'm gonna put this in a ponytail just because I feel more comfortable like that. So I've seen the girlies, you know, position it right to their hair and put these flaps over their ears just to make sure it fits perfectly. Okay, y'all, so I cut off the ear pieces off camera because y'all know I wear glasses. Yeah. Let me get the scissors because I cannot find them. Okay, y'all, this is the part where I feel like all the mistakes happened. I don't even know what I was doing here. I literally just followed a video and I said, you know what, let's just do it this way. This glue, I hate it. I hate it. hate. I would not recommend. 0 out of 10. Would not recommend. And I would never use this again. I ended up using Got To Be spray instead of this Ghost Bond glue, because I hated the gooiness of this glue. It was the worst. Don't be like me. Don't be like me, because then your shit gonna look crazy. So don't be like me, okay? Like I said, so many mistakes. Why was I using this brush? Let's be for real. Yeah, so I only put 1 layer of glue because this is my first time, y'all. Okay, this is coming up. We'll fix this in the morning, but we finna put this on. This is just something that I got from CVS, and I cut it because your girl don't have one of those freaking headband things, so we're just gonna use this, and we shall conclude in the AM, y'all. Okay, so it's the morning, and at this point I'm just doing whatever. At this point, let's really get into this cutting of the lace. Let's get into the hair in general. I hate this hair. I hate it. So based on the tutorials that I've seen the girlies put makeup on the lace so that it can blend in after they melt it down or whatever. I was not really feeling it. I feel like I should have used a foundation that was a little darker, but I did not have that. I lied. I actually do have it, but I was not thinking that in the moment. Okay, y'all, let's just wait for the hot mess. It's really me thinking that on the first try of installing a frontal wig that I really thought I could really flex and finesse some baby hairs, some edges. Like, what is this? What is this? I don't understand. No, it was not given. Not at this point. No. So y'all, this is the final results after a couple mental breakdowns. This is what I came up with. Yeah, I gave up on edges. I gave up on plucking. I put a little makeup on the part. Don't even ask me about why both sides of the lace are not sticking down. Just mind your business at this point. Yeah, because nobody was going to see that because the hair is covering it. I really didn't care at this point. For the most part, this wig was, on a scale from 1 to 10, I'll give it like a 7. The lace was transparent, so I'll give it that. The hair was supposed to be 220 density. It wasn't given 220. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Later.
I'm a buff baby, but I dance like a man. She a nice lady and she shaking her ass. Spent the whole summer trapping.